Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture I am going to discuss about time variant and time invariant system. What is time variant system? That system which change its property after some time is called time variant system, and that which does not change its property after some time is called time invariant system. Mathematically it can be defined as if a system yt is function of xt, then if we shift yt by a delay t naught and correspondingly if input xt also shifted by a same time delay t naught, then this one will be time invariant system. If this will not equal to, then it is called time invariant system. If this will be equal to, then it called time variant system. This one is time variant system. So let us see some example. Let a system has input of waveform like that. It is a rectangular signal. T and xt it is input, and its corresponding output is a triangular signal. So if a system is time invariant, then if we shift that input signal by t naught, this one is t naught, then output will also shift with same time delay t naught. This one is also t naught. This is the graph of yt minus t naught, and this one is the graph of xt minus t naught. If it is shifted, output is shifted by same time delay t naught, then that system is called time invariant system. If this will not follow, then it will called time variant system. Let us see a problem of time variant and time invariant system. We know that a system is time invariant if yt minus t naught, that is if we shift output by t naught, then its input also can be shifted by the same t naught. If these both term are equal, then it will be time invariant, otherwise time variant. So we have to find yt minus t naught. So by this equation we can see that this one will be xt minus t naught plus t minus t naught. Here we put t minus t naught in place of t. So that one is equation second. Let this one is equation first, and we have to find xt minus t naught. So here we have to put xt minus t naught in place of xt, then it becomes xt minus t naught plus t. Let this one is equation third. We can see that these both terms are not equal, so it is not time invariant system, it is time variant system. If we put a constant in place of t, that is yt equal to xt plus 3, then this becomes time invariant system. Time invariant system. We can check it by same process.